class is current trends and financial cases. Okay, so today we have discussed the case of Ujjwal Bank, right? That day we have seen some unit first, and it is a microfinance, right? What is microfinance and how it work in village to village. We have just learned a number of modules. How they increase the chain means how they uh, improve their market, how they implement the market through microfinance, right? So it's going on through bank. Got it? Then what is the rule of RBI? Then NABARD, and what is microfinance institutions and all, right? So then second unit we have seen like small finance bank, right? We have seen objectives, what small finance shall bank done, what is empowerment, right? And number of things we have seen in a small finance bank, right? So before start others, so today we have, because our subject is what it is, it's a cases. We have discussed two cases also. So we have seen Ujjivan, sorry, I just told you Ujjwal Bank, but Ujjivan small finance bank, okay, because unit 2 is small finance bank, right, related to small finance bank. So we have seen how small finance bank work, right? And where they are open, what is their function, what is their financial statement, right? How they implement, what kind of work they are perform, right? So it is awarded the best microfinance bank by Asia Money, right? The Ujjivan Bank is awarded a best microfinance bank, right? Best means just think in your mind ki Ujjivan Bank got award that best. So means you should curious about it ki what kind of work Ujjivan Bank done, right? So build a better life. So slogan is, the bank is, slogan means every bank have a slogan. So this bank slogan is build a better life, right? So here the July 2022 presentations are given. We read it, and you know how financial statement read and what kind of profit, how they maintain, right? Everything we see. Now, great place to work and 10 years in a row, right? Last 10 years, last from 10 years, they work in this field. Ranked third in India, the best companies to work for 220. In 2020, it is got a ranked third best company award, right? Next. So some contents here available, like performance. We have the performance of Ujjivan Bank, business overview, how they collect the business, how they start the business, and how improve the business, develop the business. What is the financial credentials? What is status of Ujjivan Bank of financial crisis, and Ujjivan building a mass market bank. How it is, we have seen here. So here it is, first it is given quarter financial statement, and it is collection efficiency for the month of June July stands at 54 to 59%, right? Collection means whatever the person, whatever the people are investing, and that investing in the month of June and July is 54 to 59%. Got it? Now profitability, what it is profitability, it's up to 458 crore, up by 30%, right? With NIM at 10.2%. Means 30% to 10%, that is growing. Then the pre-provision operating profit at 215 crore, up 33%, and net profit is a 55 crore. Got it? So provision operating profit at 250 crore, up by 33%, and net profit is 55 crore. Now, deposit base building. What is the strategy they use for deposit investment? So, deposit based building, total rupees at 11,057 crore, up to 39% year to year, right? And retail deposit up to 45% year of year, cash 90% year of year. Good. Now 29% capital adequacy with tier 1 capital at 28% as on 30th June 20, and liquidity coverage ratio is 453%. Just thinking about it, how much at 45.3% it is, right? So capital adequacy means day by day your capital is growing on because of a number of investment and number of deposits, right? People just connect every day. 100 people connected every day. 100 people open account in this bank. Got it? Next, performance highlighted. Okay. So first we have seen 24 states, UTs, and 244 districts, right? So versus district in June 19, right? Then they opened 575 branches and 475 ATMs. Good. Right? Means 524 branches and 387 ATMs in 2019 already, right? But till 2020, they have 575 branches and 475 ATMs. How they expanding? Expanding customer base is 54.7 lakh customers versus 48.2 lakh in June 2019. In the month of June 19, it is 48.2 lakh, and till date, means not till date, until 2020, it's a 54.7 lakh customers. Huge. Now 17,370 employees. Good. How much employees there? 17,317 employees are there to working and improvement or developing the banking work, right? So their credit ratio report are there, disbursement, gross advances, total deposits, and retail deposits. So we have seen a credit ratio. What it is? Credit ratio, it's a 19% in June 2009. 20 में 29% था, right? Then Q1 फाइनेंशियल ईयर का जो Q1 था उसमें 2,959 था करोड़. देन फाइनेंशियल ईयर में 21 में देखिए 21 का भी दिया है 474 वन क्वार्टर का, राइट? ये फाइनेंशियल ईयर 20 का है टोटल Q1 का. Got it? Now here June 19, it's a 11,883. June 20, 14,000. June 19, 7,956. It means 39% it's increase in total deposits, right? And in gross advances, whatever they pay advance loan, whatever, so 22% advances they distributed. And here retail deposits, the person who deposits in retail base, so they have 44%, right? People 43 to 45%, in between it comes in 44%, right? So Ujjain Small Financial Bank, right? So include 144 URCs, included 52 automated cash recyclers, got it, included 50 asset centers, right? Increase in credit ratio, whatever. So due to fund raised in Q3, right? And gross advances included securitization and IBPC, retail deposit and total deposit, right? It comes retail deposit and total deposit. So what it is, the financial statement, not only financial statement, the position of bank in the month of June and July, right? Disbursement, then gross advances, total deposits and retail deposits, total deposit and retail deposits, that is. Right. So here I just want to ask question, what is CAR? What is, anyone? You are a finance student, so you should know about it. Yes. Capital adequacy ratio. What it is? What it is? Capital adequacy ratio. And CRAR, it is capital risk adequacy ratio. Risk, because you have a risk, right? So that is called capital adequacy ratio, and it comes in financial, right? So next we have seen Q1 financial year 2021 key highlights. Okay, here we have seen June 20, and we have seen here next quarter. So net interest income, only interest पे बैंक को कितना income हुआ है? It is 30% Q1 20 to Q1 21, means whole financial year में bank have earned 30% net interest income, right? Now next, net interest margin, it's 10.22% versus 10.5%. Wow, good. ROA कितना था? Rate of, yes, what is ROA? Finance students, what is ROA?
Return on equity.
Return on asset. ROE नहीं पूछा मैंने, ROA, return on assets, net interest margin, and return on equity, it is ROE. Equity means share, asset means जो भी आप asset book कर रहे हो या ले रहे हो या फिर gold loan, it's an asset, right? So they earn n number of, means 10.5% on interest per asset के हिसाब से वहां पे वो ये कर रहे. नाउ MNPA, अच्छा GNPA क्या है पहले बताओ. Yes, GNPA. Come on fast. Come on fast. GNPA. Gross non-performing assets. कितना है? NPA means non-performing assets. Gross non-performing asset. Non-performing asset means, what is non-performing assets? Yes. अरे सिक्योरिटाइजेशन में देखा है ना नॉन परफॉर्मिंग असेट्स. Hello, what is purchase?
Loan and advances.
Yes, loan and advances. पर ये कैसे कैसे how should you know कि loan and advances हो, लेकिन मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये नॉन परफॉर्मिंग है या ग्रॉस परफॉर्मिंग है? कैसे पता चलेगा? नॉन परफॉर्मिंग मीन्स व्हाट? जस्ट इलैबोरेट प्लीज.
लोन घेताना सिक्युरिटी काहीतरी दिली असेल आपल्याला ते.
काय? नाही, काही नका बोलू. नॉन परफॉर्मिंग असेट and gross non-performing asset and net non-performing asset. Yes. काय असतं non-performing assets?
Interest payment remain overdue for a period of 19 days.
Yes. Non-performing asset. Performing asset means what? कि आपने जो भी asset ली है, property या कुछ भी है, तो आप regular EMI pay कर, that is performing asset, right? Non-performing asset means you are not eligible to pay the EMI of that particular asset, means last 3 months, 6 months, then your account is NPA. मीन्स उसमें आ ही नहीं रहा है ना पैसा. पैसा नहीं आएगा तो रिकवरी कैसे होगी बैंक की? आपकी असेट आपके नाम से कैसे होगी? दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉन परफॉर्मिंग असेट. सो हियर आर वी, हम लोग जो केस देख रहे हैं जीवन बैंक का, तो जीवन बैंक में ग्रॉस नॉन परफॉर्मिंग असेट कितना था? 0.8%, 1% टू 0 पॉइंट, मतलब इतना अच्छा रिकवरी था वो बैंक का, राइट? और उसका नॉन परफॉर्मिंग सॉरी नेट नॉन परफॉर्मिंग असेट भी हम लोग देखेंगे. तो हमने क्या देखा हाइलाइट्स में? नेट इंटरेस्ट में जो इनकम मिल रहा है बैंक को 30% था इन 2021 में. क्वार्टर 21 और क्वार्टर 22 का कंपैरिजन दिया है. देन नेट इंटरेस्ट मार्जिन इट इज 10.5%. देन प्रीवियस प्रोविजन ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट का 33% एंड ग्रॉस नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट था 0.8% टू 1%. वाओ, गुड. नाउ PAT means profit after tax. So profit जो था बैंक का आफ्टर टैक्स के बाद 20 में 94 था करोड़ एंड 21 में 55 करोड़ था. कम हुआ. विल सी व्हाट इज द रीजन. देन उसका ROA जो था वो 1.2% टू 2.7% था. देन ROE था, ठीक है, ROE कितना था? 6.8% टू 22, मींस रिटर्न ऑफ इक्विटी इतना ज्यादा था उसका. वाओ, ग्रेट. और नेट नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट था 0.2% टू 0.3%, राइट? ये कौन सी बैंक का स्टडी कर रहे हैं हम? स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक. नाउ कंसर्न effort towards business normally, what they are doing. So safety of employees, उनका पॉलिसी में क्या क्या था वो देखते हैं. So WFH continued at most places, right? So employee provided with additional technology support, field operation with all necessary precautions, regular sanitization of premises and relevant advisory issued at regular interval by quarterly क्वार्टर बेस पे उनको ये सारी चीजें वो जाके देते थे, राइट? नाउ देन कोविड इंश्योरेंस फॉर एम्प्लॉय, डॉक्टर ऑन कॉल फैसिलिटी, राइट? सो n number of things they provide for that fellow, right? So they provide n number of facility to their employees. So safety, they secured their employee, they have taken a risk to secure their employee, therefore people working lot, right? Now right? So WFH means work from home continue at most places, right? Employee provided with additional technology. N number of people are working from work from home. They have provided all net system and all, and they are visiting field visit to train the people home to home, and they will take precautions, regular sanitization of premises. If they went anywhere's house, they just sanitize their premises, they train them, they told a number of uh, what facilities or schemes, right? And they fulfill their quarterly report. Now COVID insurance for employees, doctors on call facility, right? So information flow ensures quick knowledge on any likely impact. Employee provide help and support, right? They provide total help and support to their employee, any kind of support. So that's why safety of employees means what kind of effort they have taken for their employees, and that it is business asset. What it is? Focused approach on collection. Refer subsequent slides for details, right? Focus approach on collection. So disbursement started with sorry, disbursement started with unlock, right, in June 20, and disbursement at 370 crore in 1/3 of average pre-COVID level, right? The situation comes in pre-COVID level. That time they earned 370 crores, right? 1/3. Now disbursement to pick up in Q2 with country gradually returning to normals. When the situation is normal, after that they will disburse a number of things. Remodeling process to suit for post-COVID business arena, limited human contact in loan processing, right? So loan processing, they just called people regarding loan process, loan disbursement and all things. Repeat micro banking loans via phones, mobile, right? And they just being launched to target Ujjivan premises owner. They provided mobile app, ATM, MSC pre-qualified loan program based on track record. Remodeling housing, MSE launched to target Ujjivan premises owner. Number of facilities they provided. That's why. Then API platform is ready. Got it? Then partnering with operating in payments, collections, lead generation, etc. to expand each ignorically. You've seen that nowadays every especially buyers, street sellers, right? Street shops have their own Google Pay accounts. Means they know if you purchase anything, right? So you just pay by phone pay, ATM pay, and the amount directly deposited in his bank. So that's why all banks have data that how much amount deposited in the daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. Because before the pandemic, we would know where is money gone, right? Because no records found. But when due to this scheme, government and number of government scheme, our Prime Minister connected to each one through bank, and people, what it is, improve their finance. Got it? A number of people nowadays you have seen railway, everything, even vegetable persons, if स्ट्रीट बायर, और अगर वो आपके घर में भी आके देता है तो उसके पास भी बोलते हैं फोन पे है, फोन पे में पेमेंट कर, राइट? सो द फैसिलिटी इज इम्प्रूव. Redefining internal workflow and identifying areas and piloting projects for automation and productivity improvement, right? So n number of productivity is improved directly due to this technology and a number of trainings they provided to all people, and they provided all loan, non-education loan, to improve their business, to start their business. Got it? So that is a good way to connect a bank. और ये जो काम था ये बड़ी बैंक नहीं कर सकती थी, है ना? So they opened small banks every village, every rural areas, and they started to work on that method. Yes, anyone want to ask? Now business normalcy, what it is. So deposits जो था वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ा और वो था 39%. Means 39% means 11,057 crores, and the scheme will start not only Pune, Maharashtra, it will start whole India. Now you go anywhere, you pay by phone pay or ATM pay. So n number of million trillion people are in India and they use that system. So definitely 11,057 crore deposit grew, right? Digital, whatever digital SATD, it is security and technology, showing healthy traction, acquired our 70,000 customers in Q1 financial year. And ये तो बैंक के लिए भी इजी हो गया ना कि उनके अकाउंट में पैसे जमा हो रहा है, तो बैंक इट इजीली कैलकुलेटेड कि आज की डेट में कितना आया, कहाँ से आया. Got it? It's fine very easily. Now maintaining surplus liquidity as on end of Q1, rupees 1,860 crores, contributing to 10% of balance sheet. So low cost funding from NHB and SIDBI in Q1, it is reduced cost of funds to 7.7%, down by 21 BPS on quarter to quarter. Every quarter. So monthly daily कितना होगा? So it is easy. मतलब अभी तो सॉफ्टवेयर से तो it will easy to maintain data and all. And we learn in cyber security how to protect our data, right? A big data. So treasury, we have seen now business liabilities, and business liabilities grew in 11,057 crore. Then some kind of technological and security issues create, but it will solve. Maintaining surplus of liquidity, it's 1,860 crores, 10% contributing in balance sheet, right? So that is overall business liability. Now treasury. So active trading commenced in Q1, right? Active trading commenced in Q1, and 10.4 crore of MTM gains realized in shift of portfolio from HTM to AFS, right? So it's easily to transfer one account to another account. So 64 lakh of trading income realized at HFT books. Now जो तुम्हारा SLR था बैंक का book management, right? So that is a 6.2% on our SLR group is protected by investing in 2 better yielding SDLS, right? So that is the treasury form of Ujjivan Bank, right? SLR, what is the meaning of SLR? SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, right? Statutory liquidity ratio, that is called SLR. Do you know the word of SLR? नो वन नो?
Yes, ma'am.
फिर बोलते क्यों नहीं हो? एंड व्हाट इज एमटीएम? कम ऑन फास्ट. व्हाट इज एमटीएम? मार्केट टू मार्केट. सीखा है कि नहीं सीखा है? मार्केट टू मार्केट में क्या होने लगा? गेन हो गया, होने लगा. एक मार्केट से दूसरे मार्केट में, दूसरे मार्केट से तीसरे मार्केट में, ऐसे करते करते जैसे आज की डेट में कुछ भी हमें मिल जाता है तो वो स्प्रेड होता है ना. इट्स स्प्रेड इन एवरी वेयर. सो दैट इज गॉट इट
Yes,
नाउ.
ma'am.
It's a microfinance. Now, moratorium and collection efficiency. What is moratorium? It's an amortization schedule. We have discussed it on already because amortization schedule means it's your EMI further EMI calculation statements, right? Amortization. If you are expert in advanced Excel, so आप Excel में भी उसे बना सकते हो. सिर्फ आपको लोन अमाउंट और रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पता होना चाहिए और ईयर ऑफ लोन पता होना चाहिए. So moratorium one came in towards end of March 20 with a national lockdown and extended to almost all customer on opt-out basis. So during April-May lockdown got continuously extended affecting field operations, right? So a number of people are stopping to go everywhere because of due to pandemic and field operations will stop, right? But moratorium to coincide with unlock 1.0 leading to pick up in field operations. So moratorium period is called like that कि जैसे अभी due to pandemic all people left their job or they face struggle. So those people who have a loan, car loan, home loan, so they are unable to pay EMI, monthly EMI. So what happened? They are unable to pay. That means वो महीने का नहीं पे किया तो moratorium period में चला गया. Because late interest and all, right? So कमिंग 2-3 महीने में अगर उसने पे नहीं किया तो वो बढ़ जाएगा एंड आफ्टर 6 मंथ बाद और 1 ईयर बाद उसका जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो एनपीए में चला जाएगा, राइट? Engage in customer communication on explaining how moratorium functions, extended to largely all customer on opt-in basis. So that time bank and government declare that no interest will not calculated because due to this pandemic people are unable to pay it. But it's a bank na, wo thodi chhodegi, right? So that is the thing. Now collection efficiency. What it is? Collection efficiency is defined as collections for the period against dues for the period, right? So it does not include a prior period EMIs and part payment, pre-closure and any other payment. So they are कलेक्शन एफिशिएंसी. मींस उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है आप भर सकते हो, जैसे भरना है भरो, बट भरो ओनली ड्यू टू द पेंडेमिक. आफ्टर दैट उनके फिर से कॉल आना चालू हो गए कि पेमेंट करो या पे करो, आपका आउटस्टैंडिंग ये है, बहुत सारी चीजें थी. So now details of monthly collection against dues are given in subsequent slides, right? So details of monthly collection against dues are given in subsequent slides. Now this is the moratorium period. Okay, we have seen here and moratorium period means उसने 2 महीने का मार्च से लेके मार्च अप्रैल में 3 महीने का नहीं दिया, इसलिए उसका मोरेटोरियम पीरियड आ गया. और यहाँ पे मई से मई जून का नहीं दिया तो वो यहाँ पे इंक्लूड हो गया. सो हाउ वी रीड इट, हाउ वी कैलकुलेट इट, वी हैव सीन हियर. सो इट्स अ क्रोर लोन अमाउंट, इट्स ऑन क्रोर बेसिस, राइट? नाउ वर्टिकल्स, हम लोग वर्टिकल्स में देखेंगे. माइक्रो बैंकिंग का जो लोन बुक था. यस, एनीवन वांट टू आस्क? किसी को तकलीफ है, कोई पूछना है कुछ? मे आई कंटिन्यू?
Yes, ma'am.
So how we read it? Micro banking लोन बुक कितना था? 10,933 crores. 933 करोड़। लोन बुक अंडर मोरेटोरियम, मोरेटोरियम के अंडर उसका एक्चुअल में कितना चला गया, 828। परसेंटेज लोन बुक अंडर मोरेटोरियम है ना, जो मोरेटोरियम पीरियड था उसका जो परसेंटेज था वो कितना था, 7.6%। तो फिर उसके बाद उसका वो बढ़ गया, मतलब माइनस किया तो कितना आता था, जो भी है, जो भी रेट होगा वो कितना था। ये सिर्फ आपका मार्च 20 का था, ठीक है, मार्च में नहीं पे किया तो आपको ये रेट से मिलेगा, ये रेट पे था, ठीक है, माइक्रो बैंकिंग का। देन मई 20 का जो बढ़ गया है ना, यहाँ पे 10,933 था, यहाँ पे आपका 10,874 था। इसका मोरेटोरियम यहाँ पे बढ़ गया है ना, 9,331, 76%, 7.6% से जो भी था। एंड लोन बुक मोरेटोरियम कितने परसेंट से बढ़ गया, 80.58%। देन यहाँ पे लोन बुक इतना था, तो ऐसे इसे प्रोविजन में 300 डेज या जो भी होगा वैसे कैलकुलेट किया। ना एमएसएमई का कितना था, अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग लोन कितना था, पर्सनल लोन कितना था, व्हीकल लोन कितना था, एफआईजी लेंडिंग कितना था, अदर्स कितना था, राइट। सो दैट इज द होल, ये ओवरऑल स्टेटमेंट है यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है ना। जो मोरेटोरियम इंटरेस्ट कितना बढ़ गया, फिर उस पे चार्ज कितना लगा। व्हीकल लोन पे 0 था मोरेटोरियम, मतलब व्हीकल लोन पे 0 था, मतलब ठीक है भाई आगे पीछे दे दो, बट होम प्रॉपर्टी पर्सनल लोन पे नहीं था। एफआईजी लेंडिंग जो था उसमें भी 0 था। अदर्स में 1% मोरेटोरियम पीरियड का इंटरेस्ट रेट जो भी था। गॉट इट। सो नेक्स्ट इट इज 60% कलेक्शन डिपॉजिट मोरेटोरियम, है ना। मई में एन नंबर ऑफ पीपल ने क्या किया, चलो किसी का 2 महीने का सैलरी आ गया होगा एक से कुछ, तो उन्होंने वो पीरियड को कवर किया। तो मई के यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे मई महीने में, है ना, इन द मंथ ऑफ मई यहाँ पे कितना था लोन बुक, 10,874, और यहाँ पे आपको कम दिख रहा है, मतलब थोड़ी राहत मिली है, ठीक है। देन अप्रैल का ये था, मई 20 का इतना था। सो मार्च ओवरऑल कैलकुलेशंस जो था कम हुआ। नाउ कलेक्शन एफिशिएंसी पिकिंग अप अंडर मोरेटोरियम 2। अब मोरेटोरियम 2 आ गया, पहला तो क्लियर कर दिया आपने जैसे तैसे करके, है ना। देन 2 आ गया तो माइक्रो बैंकिंग का और ये बढ़ने लग गया, मतलब अप डाउन तो होगा ही ना, क्योंकि सैलरी इश्यूज थे, 50% ऑफ सैलरी मिलती थी, किसी को मिलती भी नहीं थी, तो हाउ दे मैनेज, राइट। सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम। बट ये ओवरऑल है, ओवरऑल मतलब पूरे इंडिया का उन्होंने दिया है कि कितना कलेक्शन हुआ है और कितना परसेंट लोन दे रिकवर। सो collection efficiency of June to July stands at 59 to 64% if we included addition collection, मतलब उन्होंने 59% का कलेक्शन रिकवर किया था। Now digital collection challenge showing healthy trend, right? So what they are doing, they send you a link and told you just click the link and pay your EMI, right? So rolled out moratorium to on and off in basis, channel wise breakup of collections, Q4 और Q1 का दिया है, Q4 20 का 99% एंड Q1 21 का 84%, राइट। सो कैश में कितना कलेक्ट हुआ है, 99%, एंड डिजिटल में 16% कलेक्शन हुआ, ओनली 16%, right? So focus continue touch with regular and non-paying customers. So they just touch, they call center से इसके उससे वो continuously call करके just asking what about when you pay your EMI loan and all, right? So focus plan for moratorium availed customers. Now flexible and multiple modes of collections apart from traditional center meetings, door to door collections, right? डोर टू डोर जाके कलेक्शन करना, उनका हालचाल पूछना, उनसे जितना हो सकता है उतना कलेक्ट करना। नाउ टाई अप विद एयरटेल पेमेंट्स, बैंक्स, बिजनेस करस्पॉन्डेंस टू इंक्रीज reach already showing healthy trend, right? Whatever, so they try to collect payment in number of sources. Renewed trust on enabling EMI repayments through online payment platform like ECS, e-wallets, UPI, QR स्कैनिंग कोड जो होता है एंड ड्राइव हायर यूसेज। इतने सारे उन्होंने ऑप्शंस दे दिए कि आप उन्हें पेमेंट से मना ही नहीं कर सकते थे। आपने अगर बोल दिया नहीं होता है तो ठीक है, लॉग इन करो, इससे करो, उससे करो, एन नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शंस दे दिए। सो रिकवरी इजी हो गई, राइट। सो स्ट्रेंथन कलेक्शन टीम, और उनकी जो टीम थी कर रही थी, कलेक्ट कर रही थी। सो दैट इज द कलेक्शन। कलेक्शन बाय रीजन, रीजन वाइज उन्होंने कैसे कलेक्ट किया, मेट्रो से कितना कलेक्शन आया, राइट। माइक्रो बैंकिंग एंड रूरल बैंकिंग, ओवरऑल बैंक लेवल, एरिया वाइज, अर्बन रूरल का, ठीक है। सो मेट्रो से अप्रैल में 2% आया, मई में 13% आया, जून में 48% रिकवर किया एंड अप टू जुलाई 54% उन्होंने रिकवर किया। अर्बन का 2%, 15%, 55 टू 61% कलेक्ट किया। सेमी अर्बन का 1%, 14%, 53%, 57% एंड रूरल का 5, 15, 7, 64। मीन्स रूरल का सबसे ज्यादा उन्होंने कलेक्ट किया, इट इज 64। मीन्स ओवरऑल आउट ऑफ 100, 58% they have collected through n number of mode of digitization, digital platform. Got it? Yes or no? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now area wise, same metro, urban, semi urban, rural. So overall area wise 59% collection they have collected, right? Now ground situation like local lockdowns and natural calamities add to collection complexities. क्या था, है ना। सो तमिलनाडु, महाराष्ट्र, वेस्ट बंगाल, आसाम, गुजरात, दिल्ली का जो पोजीशन था टोटल portfolio, right? So it is in front of you. 1855 तमिलनाडु, महाराष्ट्र का 885, वेस्ट बंगाल का 1678, असम का 405 एंड गुजरात का 707 एंड दिल्ली का 193। सबसे ज्यादा दिल्ली का कम था। नाउ कलेक्शन एफिशिएंसी क्या था, जून जुलाई में 50%, चेन्नई में 27%, महाराष्ट्र में 41%, वेस्ट बंगाल में 39%, असम में 62 to 72%, गुजरात में एंड 49 to 69% इन दिल्ली में। गॉड। कस्टमर अफेक्टेड ड्यू टू अम्पन फूड जो भी था, राइट। लोन अंडर मोरेटोरियम एज ऑफ जून एंड में मोरेटोरियम पीरियड पे जो लोन था 52 to 74% तक का था। मतलब एन नंबर ऑफ पीपल लेव देयर जॉब और सम अदर ड्यू टू पैंडेमिक, नो सैलरी एंड ड्यूज। सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस। नाउ कंटिन्यूड लोड डिस्बर्समेंट टू गुड कस्टमर्स, बट उन्होंने अपना काम छोड़ा नहीं, चलो भाई जा रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी अगर जिन जिन को रिक्वायरमेंट थी वो लोग प्रोवाइड करते गए, right? Continue loan disbursement to good customers, then collection capacity across the state, enhance the digital payment infrastructure, relief measures in form to essential goods, calamities and number of, and provisions. They provided provisions. Now very strong fundamental and balance sheet, well capitalized and high liquidity, focus on portfolio and quality, right? So if we talking about the balance sheet, so capital adequacy ratio at 29% with tier being 28%. Okay, good. And उसका SLR, LCR जो होता है बैंक का जो ratios होते हैं, that is a 4.53%, which we have seen already in first page. Surplus liquidity, it is 1860, contributing to 10%. मीन्स उन्होंने सोर्सेस से इतने दे दिए तो किसी के पास कुछ ऑप्शन ही नहीं था, तो उन्होंने हर तरीके से, हर वे से रिकवरी कलेक्ट करना चालू किया। उन्होंने जितनी फैसिलिटी दी उतनी ही उन्होंने ये भी दी कि रिकवरी की भी फैसिलिटी है, अब ये कराई कि चलो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है ऐसे करो, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है वैसे करो, राइट। सो डिपॉजिट कवर 77%, ग्रॉस एडवांस, retail deposit at 45%, right? So that is CARR, LCR, and MPA and prudent provisions and number of things. We have seen here the green, right? So it increased in this year and total it is 2.6%, right? prudent provision. It's a 2.6% because both are similar. Only एक से ये हो गया, but both are similar. So March to June, March quarter to June quarter, we have seen here. But here we have seen up and downs and number of up and down. But यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है कि बहुत कम हुआ है. यहाँ पे जून 19 में थोड़ा सा ही था, जून 20 में बहुत ज्यादा, देन थोड़ा कम, ऐसे करते करते इसका रेशो ऐसा हुआ है. Now portfolio quality, gross non-performing assets and net not performing assets and P profit after ratio जो भी है. So portfolio at a risk, what it is, portfolio at a risk. Then जो उनका ये था gross non-performing assets and net non-performing assets. So ये जो था आपका GNP, ये इन्होंने this is the ये कलर से ये किया है and it's a blue color, right? So it's showing both colors here. And here also portfolio at risk, PAR showing 1.8% to 1.8% still end, and June में था, June July to June 20, 19 to 20. Now PAR position here 19 में क्या था और segment wise कैसा था, मतलब every sector का, segment means every sector का, but it's not conclude all, but उन्होंने जो भी schedule हमें दिखाए है ना, like that MSME से, HMT से, PM से, right? So that is mentioned here. Business overview. If we're talking about business overview, that is increasing a digital footprints, which is the digital transactions. We have seen here quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, right? And UPI transactions. कितना हुआ UPI transactions वो भी आप देख सकते हैं. 20 में quarter 1 में 1,802 crore का हुआ है, right? Then quarter second 20 में 1,48,737 crore, quarter 3 में 2 lakh, quarter 4 में and quarter 21 में 3,77,000. अब आप ही बताइए, ऐसे लोग अगर करेंगे तो रिकवरी तो होगी ना, right? So that is a good process to collection of money and flow. This is the footprint and you will get a good data. इसमें आप एक अच्छा पेपर भी बना सकते हो, right? So this is the case of Ujjivan Bank Limited. It's a excuse me, it's a awarded bank and it comes in microfinance bank, right? So today we stop here. We'll start tomorrow same PPT because it's a study. After finishing the study, you will prepare a report on that basis, right? Anyone want to ask any questions? No? Hello? Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.